Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Bybit wallet address so you can receive crypto safely into your account. To get started, go to your account and security page on Bybit. Inside that section, you'll see the area called Wallet Management. This is where Bybit stores all your withdrawal and deposit address settings. When you open it, you'll notice a list of wallet addresses that you've added before. If you haven't added one yet, just look for the Add option in the upper right corner of the page. This is where you can create a new wallet address entry and activate it. If you already have one saved, you can simply click Edit to view the full address. Once you tap Add or Edit, Bybit will show you the complete wallet address you use for receiving crypto. This is your deposit address. You can copy it, paste it into your external wallet or exchange, and send funds directly to your Bybit account. Just make sure the browser zoom is at 100% if you don't see the Add or Edit button. Sometimes the page hides it when zoomed in. And that's how you locate your Bybit wallet address quickly and safely. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy crypto tutorials.